Okay, here we are. Superstorm Blizzard Nemo. Fucking A. Whew. See, it's been a little windy here in Worcester. Still got bare ground. And then we have freaking snow drifts, snowed in cars. It's a nice neighborhood. It's a good day if it don't rain. I was thinking about walking around the house, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. And here's the downstairs. It's kind of sort of a there's actually a wall here. Oh, here's a nice snowdrift. Whew. Yeah. So I'd say this is about 4 feet deep right here. See if I can get to the backyard. Oh my God. Check this out. Right? Oh. So here's the backyard. Just a little bit of snow. Good thing I filled up the bird feeders. Whew. So this is what I just walked through. Now, my neighbor, he's only been out about 4 times. Freaking snow blowing his driveway. Whew. Still gonna snow, you pinhead. Yep. This is Nemo.